probably the first celebrity wedding in Uttarakhand.
Okay, क्या
We
नाम?
got TV actress Surbhi Jyoti
हाँ, सुरभि ज्योति
from its Orif Day.
Yes, yes.
What I loved about Surbhi as a bride, something very simple, very meaningful and very beautiful. You know, उन दोनों ने मुझे ये बोला, they said, मुझे किसी पेड़ के नीचे शादी करनी है.
Okay.
And we created her mandap right under that jamun tree.
कैसे अपनी प्रॉपर्टी की किस किस जगह पर ये फंक्शंस हो सकते हैं? लाइक अगर मैं पूछूं हल्दी, ठीक है, संगीत, तो वो कौन कौन से आपकी प्रॉपर्टी के प्लेसेस होंगे?
We have this lawn called Ashok Vatika. We also end up doing a lot of NRI weddings. You know, a lot of people love to, and you know, for them the attraction is forest. Enjoy bonfire, some nice live music, sometimes ghazal, sometimes you know, old Hindi music or jazz.
हॉस्पिटैलिटी कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है एज ए प्रॉपर्टी ओनर?
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है, लोग कहते हैं लोग अच्छे होने चाहिए, खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए, कमरे अच्छे होने चाहिए. आई थिंक फूड इज द मोस्ट सेंट्रिक एलिमेंट ऑफ अ वेडिंग. The philosophy of sustainability is deeply rooted in each of those. You know, like I was telling you, we have a water recycling system. Similarly, we have a waste management system in house. We have our own compost pits in house. वही खाद हम अपने ऑर्गेनिक गार्डन्स में बेचते हैं. All the plastic is collected and we have tie-ups with vendors who recycle. इतने सालों पे that we have operated, आज तक कोई भी कूड़ा आना के बाहर नहीं.
Okay, welcome to Wedding Bazi with Shivam Ayu. How are you?
I'm good, thank you so much and thank you for having me here.
अरे my pleasure. So अभी आप ये बताओ कि अहाना कॉर्बेट की इंस्पिरेशन क्या है?
So, you know, if I start talking about Ahana, it's a very long story and a beautiful journey. It's a family-run resort. I think you already know that. हम सबके सब we come from the hills of Kumaon.
Okay.
And my grandfather was a freedom fighter.
Oh wow.
And so, you know, my father grew up very strongly connected to the land, to the soil, to its people. So, you know, anything that he has done in life, always, you know, it's done in a very thoughtful manner. So when he thought about Ahana was his dream project.
Okay.
And this started way back in 2005.
And why is this name Ahana?
So Ahana means Suraj ki pehli kiran.
सूरज की पहली किरण.
Yes.
Wow.
And I'll tell you how
हाँ.
we finalized that name. We started Ahana on a barren piece of land, 13.5 acres of land with no trees. And we, as a family of 5, my parents and my 2 siblings, we planted the first 500 trees ourselves.
Wow.
You know, we were kids. I was probably in school and I didn't know what we were doing. तो हम बस weekend में dad के साथ जाते थे.
And बस
we would
पेड़
all plant trees and come back.
Okay.
And you know, that's how the journey began. And I think for him it was, you know, it took me a lot of years to understand his vision. And I was so inspired by that vision that eventually I joined him. But he wanted to create, you know, a luxury resort with sustainability at its heart. And I knew it was something that not back then, but people of the future will appreciate it. You know, and that was the goal. That's how we started. So everything and anything that we do at Ahana, the philosophy of sustainability is deeply rooted in each of those.
Okay.
So, you know, in fact, the first thing that we built in the resort was a water treatment plant.
Okay.
And it's a plant that is inspired by a lot of traditional knowledge. And today it's been recognized as the largest plant in all of Asia, which is recycling water without any
Wow, proud
chemicals,
moment.
without any energy. And today so many people are, you know, have come to us, want to know how we did it, and so many people are replicating it. It's a proud moment for us. You know, another thing that was very important to us was we wanted the community to be a part of the resort. So, you know, today most of the managers that we have are homegrown. They are people who joined us way before the resort even started.
Okay.
You know, and today are heading various departments. We finally opened to guests only in the later part of 2012.
2012.
You know, so it was a long journey of almost about 7 years of planning, of construction. And I can say that every element at Ahana has you know, comes with a lot of thought, vision, and love for nature. You know, so the idea was always to create a bespoke luxury experience, which is very exclusive, but at the same time, it's deeply rooted. And that's how it started.
एंड आई गेस आप भी नेचर से बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड हो.
I've grown up in Nainital. I'm a mountain girl. I live in Corbett, but अभी भी जैसे ही मेरे पास थोड़ा टाइम होता है, I go trek somewhere.
Okay.
So you know, when you grow up in a place like that, you're bound to love nature, right? And I think, to me also, I'm very close to nature because that's one way I connected with my father. So you know, when we were younger, every Sunday with Dad, we used to go on a walk. अब इस वॉक पे हम तो छोटे थे, हमारा मोटिवेशन होता था आफ्टर द वॉक इज डन ही यूज्ड टू टेक अस टू आवर फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट फॉर लंच.
Okay.
But the walk basically consisted of us picking kuda and planting trees.
Wow.
So you know, that's what we used to do, and I think that's why I'm so close to nature, right? Because that's a passion I share with my father.
Wow.
And I think both my siblings also feel about it the same way. And you know, when you grow up in places like Nainital, it just becomes such a strong part of who you are. Like you know, हम लोग there's just something so beautiful about being in nature. We live a slow life, and I think that's what we've also tried to replicate at Ahana. You know, I always tell people Ahana is a place where time slows down.
आपकी बातों में भी वो कामनेस झलक रही है, पता है, मतलब एक तरीके से थेरेपी हो जाए अगर कोई 10 मिनट बैठ जाए आयु आपके साथ. तो ये मैं ऐड कर रहा था. खैर, हाँ, यस प्लीज.
So you know, I always tell people that Ahana is a place where time slows down, where people come together to celebrate love, family, friendships in the most real and soulful manner. You know, and I think that's what, like most guests who come to Ahana, that's the one thing that they tell us. एक तो जितने भी गेस्ट आते हैं हमसे पेड़ ज़रूर लेके जाते हैं, because you know one thing that we've tried to do is, because we got a clear canvas, we've done everything, we've grown every plant ourselves. So today it's a forest with 4,500 trees. We count all the trees that we plant, and they're all local trees.
Okay.
You know, so that attracts birds, butterflies. Like within Ahana today, we have about 200 species of birds, about 50 different types of butterflies. And you know, that's what people say. People like, and we love to hear that, because that's what people tell us, that you know, this is luxury rooted in nature. And that's what makes us unique.
Could you please tell us your first wedding experience in Ahana?
You know, I'll tell you honestly. I never saw myself doing weddings. It
Okay.
was never a part of the plan. And it's crazy how today I can't imagine myself doing something else, you know. I love the wedding madness.
Okay.
But again, when we decided we wanted to start doing weddings at Ahana, Dad, big no.
Okay.
He
और ये
didn't-
कब की बात है?
This is 2015.
2015. Okay.
2015, he said, no, we're not
10
going
years
to do
back.
weddings. Yes. And I was like, Dad, I think, you know, we should give it a try. And he was like, if you're doing it, you are taking 100% responsibility. So I was like, acha, theek hai, let's, you know, planning shuru karte hain. So the first 3 weddings that I did at Ahana were all family weddings.
Okay.
You know, my sisters, people from the family getting married. And I think that was a turning point for me. Because एक तो मुझे पता चला मार्केट पे गैप क्या है.
उस जिम
You know,
कॉर्बेट.
उस टाइम पे. And एक तो like Jim Corbett, 10 साल पहले you would not think of it as a wedding destination
Right,
at
right.
all. I think destination weddings were not even so big back then, right? The second thing was, I understood what client expectations are, which is very important, right? And finally, I got the opportunity to really create something unique. Because I was doing family weddings, so I got a chance to try various concepts. You know, I think as a resort, there are so many concepts around Ahana, so I just didn't want to become a wedding venue. You know, I wanted there to be something unique about Ahana. You know, something that reflects in every wedding that we do. And you know, so to give you an example, we have this lawn called Sinduri Bagh.
Okay.
And that's the most popular lawn for venues, for people to do the final wedding ceremony.
Okay.
हमने ना वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा सिंदूर ट्री का प्लांट लगाया है.
अच्छा. Okay.
तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम सारे ग्रूम्स को सीढ़ी पे चढ़वाते हैं.
अच्छा.
And they pluck the sindoor for their
Okay.
bride.
Okay.
You know, so वो पेड़ पे
It's kind of
चढ़ते हैं.
ritual.
It's and it's amazing, you know. So they climb up. It's a small fruit. They open it, and उसके अंदर, you know, you have these seeds, and the moment you rub those seeds, उससे सिंदूर निकलता है.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
guys.
You know, and things like all across Sahana we have sahara plants.
Okay.
So many mothers have actually made fresh saharas for their
Okay.
sons.
Wow.
So we've tried to, and again, I think what we try to do with every wedding is keep it very personalized, and everything is planned keeping that in mind. And I think because it's a family run resort, we have the creative liberty to be able to do that. Because and when we do weddings, I would say that we think about each wedding as a creative opportunity,
Right.
where we push our limits and we try to come up with unique concepts, whether it's about understanding the couple's journey, or what is it that they want in the wedding. And then it's storytelling, right from creating cocktails that tell a story, or creating fusion food, when there are two different communities coming together. Like one of the weddings we did, the bride was Punjabi and the groom was Rajasthani, and both very strong cultural families. अपना मतलब सबके दिमाग में था, aunties wanted, हमें ये 10 चीज़ें चाहिए. The groom's family wanted to ensure that they are doing all their own, their ceremonies. And I was sitting with the bride and groom, and I was like, how do we, of course, we were doing the decor in a way that we were showing that amalgamation. And we were like, how do we do that with food? So the wedding day, we had, एक one area हमने सारा राजस्थानी खाना लगाया था.
Okay.
दूसरी तरफ सारा पंजाबी खाना लगाया था.
Okay.
And center पे we had a live island where we had some of our most senior chefs, and we were creating fusion food.
Okay.
So we were using Punjabi masalas in Rajasthani
Rajasthan
food and Rajasthani ingredients for Punjabi food.
And
the parents loved it.
Okay.
And this is something we didn't tell anybody.
Okay.
It was a surprise for the bride and groom. It was a surprise for the parents. And they loved it. उनको लगा कि अरे, it's so amazing how you brought the two cultures together.
Right. इतना पर्सनलाइजेशन, इतना
Yes.
डीप जाकर आप इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हो, मतलब एज ए प्रॉपर्टी ओनर.
Yes.
मतलब ये भी काफ़ी स्ट्रेंज है और काफ़ी अच्छी बात है, मतलब बहुत कम देखने को मिलती है ऐसी. तो क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं आयु, मतलब जब आप कोई वेडिंग कर रहे होते हो एज ए प्रॉपर्टी ओनर,
Sure.
प्रॉपर्टी के पर्सपेक्टिव से अगर आप बताना चाहो कि क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं जब कोई भी वेडिंग हो रही होती है वहाँ पर?
देखिए, पहले तो ना जब एक इंडियन वेडिंग होती है, इट्स नॉट अबाउट द ब्राइड एंड ग्रूम, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट देम, इट्स टू डिफरेंट फैमिलीज कमिंग टुगेदर. और इंडिया में कहते हैं ना, शादी लड़के लड़की की नहीं, दो फैमिलीज की होती है. एंड देयर आर सो मेनी टाइम्स, मतलब देयर आर सर्टन ग्रूम के पेरेंट्स हैं, उनके सर्टन होप्स हैं, एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं. ब्राइड की फैमिली है, उनके सर्टन थॉट प्रोसेस हैं.
ठीक है.
दूल्हा दुल्हन है, उसके बाद उनके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं, चाचा ताऊ बुआ, सो मेनी पीपल इन्वॉल्व, राइट.
सबको खुश करना है.
सबको, मतलब सबसे खुश करना तो बाद में आता है. सबका एक विजन होता है शादी के लिए, और फिर ब्राइड और ग्रूम का विजन होता है, राइट. सो देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट पीपल कमिंग टुगेदर, एंड टू बी एबल टू understand, meet each one of their expectations, सबको खुश करना, and also plan a wedding which is a reflection of the bride and groom, because ultimately it's them, right? And see, we all live in a world where आज के दिन Instagram और Pinterest के बिना शादी प्लान नहीं हो सकती है.
और अब तो चैट जीपीटी भी यूज हो गया.
और लोग देखते हैं, और ना जब आप उस फील्ड में नहीं होते हो, लाइक आई थिंक इवन इफ आई गो टू अ डिफरेंट फील्ड टुडे, आई विल नॉट नो द निटिग्रिटीज ऑफ इट. आपने एक बाली की वेडिंग की फोटोग्राफ देखी और आपको वो कॉर्बेट में करना है, आप यहाँ पे तो बीच है ही नहीं,
चीजें,
वो वाइब भी अलग है. सो देयर आर सो मेनी टाइम्स व्हेन पीपल कम अप विद आइडियाज व्हिच आर ब्रिलियंट, but each area has its own restraints,
Charm,
has its own constraints. And I think I live in the resort, and I'm very passionate about what I do. I love planning weddings. So there are so many times I know ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, and I feel it's my responsibility to tell the couple ये क्यों अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So I think there are multiple challenges. When so many people come together to plan an event, it's challenges. But I think you also have to look at I feel we do so many weddings, right? But for every couple, it's that one wedding. मतलब हमारे लिए it could be, अच्छा आज मैं इनकी शादी कर रही हूँ, कल उनकी कर रही हूँ, but उनके लिए it's a dream. It's it's something that people think about for years. Every person has a idea of how they want their wedding to look. And ultimately, our responsibility as service providers is to ensure that happens. You know, and when you asked about challenges, so when I started 10 years back, some of the biggest challenges about Corbett were that, you know, we didn't have people. There were not enough planners in the market. There were not enough decorators. There were no partners. So, you know, when the first client that I got married, and today they are such good friends. You know, like they are people who come to Ahana at least once in a year, and we sit and we talk about the wedding. And I have forgotten that मैंने इनकी शादी करी थी, you know, because today they are such good friends. But you know, when I started planning their wedding, I realized decor तो खुद ही करना पड़ेगा. You know, there are not enough people, and दिल्ली से logistically किसी को लाना 10 साल पहले with the kind of budgets that we used to work on was very difficult. So as a result, we became a wedding planning company. हम लोगों को कार्ड्स भेजने पे भी मदद कर रहे थे, हम हैम्पर्स भी बनवा रहे थे, हम लॉजिस्टिक्स भी प्लान कर रहे थे, आइटनरीज भी बन रही थी, you know. So it like today I have a wedding department which most hotels don't. I have a very big team of people who
tell me more about it, wedding department in your property.
So you know, I have about 6 to 7 people who are just you know, once a wedding is confirmed, these are people who are, you know, there's somebody who's expert with gifting, there's somebody who has a different area of expertise, but they all come together to plan the wedding. You know, and of course today I have brilliant partners. I have amazing decorators on board, photographers. In fact, you have come at Ahana, you know, been with us on so many occasions. But yeah, it took us a lot of time to get there. And today, of course, Corbett is recognized as a beautiful wedding destination. I think there was a time when Corbett was probably last in terms of options. And but वो पता चल जाता है, because उस समय हम लोग weddings बहुत short period पे book करते थे. November की wedding है, आपका August पे book हो रही है, September पे book हो रही है. Today, people book a wedding 6-8 months in advance. I have a wedding which is confirmed for November 2026.
Wow.
You know, because they were very particular about the date. So they confirmed the wedding from now.
Okay. क्या लगता है आपको, क्या change हुआ इतने दिनों में जो weddings इतनी fast grow हो रही हैं Jim Corbett में?
Yes. You know, very interesting question. In fact, I asked so many people this. And I think one thing that most people feel is, you know, when nature is the background, there's a lot of creative liberty you have.
Yes.
Blue sky, trees, flowers, you know, nothing in between. I think it's, you can, you know, you can do anything there. आप कोई भी डिज़ाइन करो अच्छा लगता है. There is so much liberty that you have. There's no constrict, you know, there's, जैसे आपका जयपुर है, it's a beautiful wedding destination. I attend so many weddings myself every year in Rajasthan. But they all look similar, you know, because Goa है, अगर गोवा पे आप जा रहे हो, the wedding will have to be in the beach. Right now, when people come to Ahana or places like Jim Corbett, I think मैंने आहना के हर कोने में मंडप बनाया है, you know, because every person wants something different, every person wants something new, and I think that gives us the opportunity to do that. Also, see, we are close to the capital city. It's convenient for people. See, we are also living in times where kids want a destination wedding. For most of the parents, this is the first time they're going out of their comfort zone to plan a wedding which is not in their city, right? And एक, you know, जब पहले ज़माने में शादी होती थी, पूरा नेबरहुड वो शादी करता था. You know, everybody would come together. आपको, आपके पास अपने घर का comfort है, आप एक ऐसी city पे हो जहाँ आप सब कुछ plan कर रहे हो. Now people are coming to destinations. So I think Corbett, because of its one, how close it is to Delhi, and of course all the things that I told you earlier, I think that makes it a very ideal destination. And see, also people are looking at you know, शादी कर रहे हैं, उसके अलावा और क्या हो रहा है आज के दिन. It's not just about हल्दी, मेहंदी, cocktail. You know, when we do weddings at Ahana, safaris are such an important part. एक दिन है जब सब लोग,
आप सफारी भी कराते हो गेस्ट को? Okay.
You know, people are going, हल्दी के पहले लोग सफारी के लिए जा रहे हैं, टाइगर्स देख के आए हैं, डिस्कशन हो रहा है शादी के बीच में, जिन लोगों ने मिस करी उनको नेक्स्ट डे जाना है. So you know, there's a lot of excitement of the place as well.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है आयु कि जैसे कि मतलब पूरी फैमिली एक तरीके से छुट्टी पे आई है और वेडिंग भी करके चली जा रही है.
Yes.
है ना, ऐसा कुछ वाइब क्रिएट हो रही है आहाना कॉर्बेट में।
और हम लोग ना गेस्ट को बोलते भी वही हैं। आई टेल एवरी मैं स्पेशली पेरेंट्स को हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ ऐसे कि देखिए आपने बहुत प्लानिंग कर ली है एंड आप इतनी दूर आए हैं सो दैट यू कैन एंजॉय, तो अब हमें काम करने दीजिए। We spend a lot of time with every couple, with every family before the wedding, and then we tell them now enjoy it like guests. And that's the whole reason for destination weddings, right? वरना मम्मी पापा को तो याद ही नहीं होता है शादी में क्या हुआ। So यहाँ पे जब हम लोग प्लान करते हैं, that's one of the biggest plus points that you want the families to enjoy, and they don't have to worry about things. Yes.
हॉस्पिटैलिटी कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है एज ए प्रॉपर्टी ओनर?
100%. सी मतलब अभी भी अगर आप आई थिंक इफ़ यू आस्क मोस्ट पीपल जिनके बच्चों की शादी हो रही है, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है, लोग कहते हैं लोग अच्छे होने चाहिए, खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए, कमरे अच्छे होने चाहिए, राइट? एंड खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए इज़, I think food is the most centric element of a wedding. The number of people who, I think when people are booking a venue, the most important factor is food.
राइट। और मैंने सुना है आप अपना खाना खुद उगा रहे हैं वहाँ पर।
Yes. So we have a lot of, my ancestral village is only about 40 minutes from Ahana, and we've converted that into, like, we've put big poly houses there, और हम वहाँ पे we are organically growing a lot of exotic vegetables, salads, and otherwise also we've partnered with people. तो जैसे अगर हम आना में राजमा बना रहे हैं, वो मुनस्यारी से आ रही है। हम अदरक खरीद रहे हैं तो हम उसको पहाड़ों से खरीद रहे हैं। तो वी हैव पार्टनर्स ऑल अराउंड उत्तराखंड इन रिमोट प्लेसेस, और वो सारी चीज़ें लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी पे मिलती हैं। जैसे हम लोग रेड राइस है हमारे रीजन में बहुत फेमस है, बट मुझे नहीं पता होगा कि मुझे साल भर पे कितना मिलने वाला है, बिकॉज 5-6 फैमिलीज़ हैं जो उसको अपने घर में उगा रही हैं, और वो थोड़ा अपने लिए रखती हैं, बाकी मुझे दे देते हैं। सो वी हैव पार्टनरशिप लाइक दैट विद पीपल। यस।
क्या बात है, मतलब सुन के ही कितना अच्छा लग रहा है। तो जो शादी कर रहे होंगे उनको कितना अच्छा लग रहा होगा। हालांकि मैंने एक्सपीरियंस करा है, मैं होस्ट करके चला आया हूँ, बट उन फैमिलीज़ के लिए मुझे काफ़ी खुशी हो रही है। कितना डीप पर्सनलाइजेशन कर रहे हो आप लोग। तो कोई वेडिंग के बारे में आप बताओगे जो मतलब थोड़ा सा दिल के करीब हो आपके, अभी तक जितनी वेडिंग आपने करी हैं वहाँ पर?
This January, I planned my younger brother's wedding.
अच्छा, वाह, नाइस।
And so I told you when I started working at when we started weddings, the first 3 weddings were family weddings, but of course it was very new for us. I think after 10 years I can say I'm a seasoned planner. So when I was planning my brother's wedding, I think I did everything that I wanted to experiment at Ahana, everything that we wanted to, which I tell guests, but sometimes people understand certain concepts, sometimes people don't. And so when I was planning my brother's wedding, I think, so we are Kumaunis, from Uttarakhand. And I feel that people have just you think of Rajasthan, you can think of a lot of art, culture, music. You think of Goa, there's a certain vibe. So every place has its own culture. I feel Uttarakhand के culture की कोई बात नहीं करता है.
बिल्कुल, definitely.
तो it was very important for me to be able to kind of show that culture in this wedding. So we planned for the haldi to be totally Kumauni.
Okay.
And so the decor that we planned, it was जो आपके पहाड़ों में पुराने घर होते हैं, उनके जो दरवाजे होते हैं वो ब्लू कलर के होते हैं। तो हमने जो हमारे एंसेस्ट्रल घर का दरवाज़ा था उसका एक मॉडल बनाया,
रेप्लिका आपने
उसका एक रेप्लिका बनाया। एंड all the decor was mostly hand painted. We called women from my father's ancestral village. They were at Ahana for multiple days.
Okay.
They planned most of it. And so all the decor was जो कुमाऊं की ज्वेलरी है, जो कुमाऊं का खाना है, we'd used मिठाई, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें that grow in Kumaon as decor items. And then of course we told every person in the family that we have this cultural dupatta. It's called Rangwali Pichoda, and it's a beautiful orange and red color. Also goes very well with haldi. So we told everybody to wear it. And the most touching, I think what like we were very happy with how we executed it, but I think what I loved the most was all the older people in the family. You know, my nani, my, you know, all the like taus, chachas and buas, all the older people. Matlab, you know, उन्होंने आके the number of times they hugged me and said, बेटा आज ना मज़ा आ गया, हमने कभी अपनी जगह का कल्चर ऐसे उभरते हुए देखा ही नहीं है. So you know, the food was Kumaoni, the music was Kumaoni. There was a team from the village that was, you know, cultural songs karne, folk dances, performances. Everything was a reflection of what Kumaon looks like. So I think, when you asked me, that was, I mean, ghar ki shadi thi, and I got a lot of creative liberty to plan it. And I think I'm already replicating so many concepts for his wedding into so many more weddings, you know, because we were able to showcase it a way that we wanted to, and people loved it. You know, we got like so many people came back to me to tell me, are you 100% creative liberty आपको दे रहे हैं, आप प्लान करो अब. So I think that was amazing.
हाँ, ये बेनिफिट भी होता है अपनी प्रॉपर्टी होने का, और हर एक चीज़, हर एक हिस्से के बारे में भी आप जानते ही हो आयु. तो वेडिंग प्लानर्स के साथ कैसा कनेक्शन है प्रॉपर्टी का? मतलब अगर कोई वेडिंग प्लानर कनेक्ट कर रहा है प्रॉपर्टी के साथ, तो उसका कनेक्शन कैसा है काम करने के लिए?
So all the team at Ahana, we call ourselves members of the Ahana family. And you know, anybody, be it a wedding planner, be it and people who are doing entertainment, anyone who comes there, becomes an extension of Ahana family. So I think that's what I tell wedding planners also. And touch wood, I have amazing planners on board. You know, I have people who, one, the wedding planners love the property. They treat it like their own house. And we sit down and we talk about every wedding, you know. We are all so involved. And the best part is, जब शादी हो रही होती है, कोई कह नहीं सकता है कि अहाना की टीम कहाँ ख़त्म होती है और एक प्लानर की टीम कहाँ शुरू होती है. एंड यू नो, आई थिंक दैट, मतलब अगर वैसा कनेक्ट ना हो तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है कुछ भी करना. सो यू नो, द पीपल हु वर्क विद अस, दे हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ रिलेशन विद एवरीबडी इन द रिजॉर्ट कि वो जाके शेफ़ को भी बोलेंगे कि शेफ़ आपके ना ये 3 आइटम्स ख़त्म होने वाले हैं, जल्दी से रीफिल कर दो, मैं कुछ और देख रहा था लेकिन मेरी नज़र पड़ गई. सो यू नो, एवरीबडी वर्क्स टुगेदर, एंड दैट इज़ वॉट you need, right? You need multiple partners to come together to make that wedding a success.
अगर मैं क्विकली आपसे पूछूं कि एक वेडिंग गाइड अगर आपको बतानी हो, अगर कोई नए कपल आ रहे हैं आहाना कॉर्बेट, तो किन चीज़ों को उनको ध्यान में रखकर आना चाहिए प्रॉपर्टी में?
See, I think although I would say आज के दिन कपल्स के पास ऑलरेडी बिफोर दे कम टू
पहले रिसर्च कर लेते हैं,
बड़ी डायरी होती है. बट यू नो, आई ऑलवेज टेल पीपल दैट टेक योर टाइम प्लानिंग. You know, come see the property, think about what is important to you, and don't get influenced too much, because अभी क्या होता है, आप you know, आपने शादी बुक करी, आप वापस घर गए, आपने शादी एक सीज़न पहले बुक करी. You know, अभी जैसे people who book their weddings for February, November is a new season. They'll see multiple weddings happening. They'll see a lot of new things. और suddenly उनको लगेगा, अरे हमने तो ये सब प्लान ही नहीं करा है. So you know, each couple is different. Their story is different. And I always tell people that before you go online and you take inspiration, you know, write those 5 things that are important to you. Because that never changes. You know, and I've always seen, जब आपको पता होता है आपको क्या चाहिए, it becomes very easy.
And one more thing, आपकी बेस्ट ड्रीम अगर मैं बोलूँ सेटअप, वो क्या होगी आहाना कॉर्बेट में?
So you know,
अभी तक ना की हो आपने, लेकिन आपका मन है यार कि
actually,
ये कोई कपल आए और
अभी कर ली, अभी कुछ टाइम पहले ही करी. And I did it with somebody else.
Okay.
So we did a celebrity wedding at Ahana last year.
Okay.
And that was probably the first celebrity wedding in Uttarakhand.
Okay. क्या
we
नाम?
got TV actress Surbhi Jyoti,
हाँ, सुरभि ज्योति,
and Sumit Suri married.
Yes.
Right? And the first time when I connected with them, you know, when you're planning a celebrity wedding, there's so much more. You know, you have to keep it under wrap. You can't involve a lot of people because they wanted to keep it very personal. And, you know, I respected that. And, you know, so when they came to Ahana the first time and they saw the property, they fell in love with it. And उन दोनों ने मुझे ये बोला, they said our house in Bombay, our balcony is like a mini jungle. So we always wanted to get married somewhere in nature. And Sumit came from Rishikesh, so Uttarakhand was also about coming home and getting married. And what I loved about Surbhi as a bride was she knew how she wanted her wedding to be. Something very simple, very meaningful, and very beautiful. And so, when we did their wedding, we started the wedding with a small ceremony which was about paying tribute to nature.
Okay.
Because she kind of fit in the Ahana's philosophy so well. It was like, two people who have similar beliefs coming together. And that's the best kind of weddings that you do. So before they started any festivities, both Surbhi and Sumit sat down and paid a tribute to the 5 elements of nature. And that is when we started the wedding. And, she told me, she's like, Ayu, I don't want a mandap. Like, I've seen all these mandaps that you have done, but मुझे किसी पेड़ के नीचे शादी करनी है. And that's when the whole thought process began, So we have this jamun tree, which is one of the oldest trees that we've planted at Ahana.
Okay.
And we created her mandap right under that jamun tree.
Wow.
So we just highlighted that tree, and it was a beautiful sunset wedding. And we did that wedding last October, and I think I have seen that mandap over 100 times on Instagram. Now, people all across India have loved that mandap. They've replicated that mandap. A lot of people have modified it a little. But it was so, it was such a rooted and such a beautiful wedding. And so, I think she gave me a lot of liberty to plan things, because she came to Ahana and she loved it. And she kept saying, she's like, I think you know it better. And I think her idea was getting married in the middle of nature. And she used to feel कि जो minimum करना है, let's do that. And it was very surprising, because when you're planning your wedding, people want to go all out. But I think for them, they were so content with being able to do this in the forest. And, I think I had always wanted to do a forest-themed wedding. And I think after that, the forest wedding theme suddenly became so popular. So many people were talking about it. There was so much buzz around, guide to a forest wedding. This is how a forest wedding should look like. So many people called me for quotes to say, okay, why don't you give us some insights? What inspired you to create a forest wedding? And I told people, I was like, I live in the middle of a forest.
Yes.
I wanted to do a forest wedding forever. So yeah, I think that was another beautiful wedding that I got the chance to plan.
क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं आयु, क्योंकि जिम कॉर्बेट में वेडिंग्स हो रही हैं, आपकी प्रॉपर्टी भी जो है जिम कॉर्बेट में ही है, एंड कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शन होते होंगे, कोई टाइम लिमिट होती होगी, तो कुछ शेयर करना चाहोगे आप?
सी मतलब I told you that as a property we respect we respect the environment around us, we respect nature, we nurture it. Like to us, that is the highest form of God. To me, plants and animals around me, those are sacred. And we've always tried to, so we are very upfront. Like so many times people tell me कि आपके तो जो restrictions है वो कॉर्बेट से ज़्यादा है. Like कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क के guidelines इतने नहीं हैं जितने आपके हैं.
Okay.
But I always tell people that देखिए हर destination का अपना charm होता है. आप कॉर्बेट में आ रहे हो, why do you want to do a wedding at 2 o'clock outdoors? आपको 2 बजे करनी है, we'll plan it indoors for you. So there are restrictions like no firecrackers.
Okay.
There is a certain level of volume that has to always be controlled. But so there are challenges of the destination, which I would not say are challenges. That's how the place is, right? If I'm going to Goa, I'm going to have a certain expectation. So if I'm coming to Corbett, I again need to have a certain expectation. And I think it's very important to respect the place that you're coming to. But while I'm saying this, I'll also tell you that there is a very strong awareness in today's generation. I think initially हमें बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें लोगों को बतानी पड़ती थी.
Right.
We would have to tell them that this will be a big no. But today when I see when people are coming, they themselves are so aware, and they're very mindful of it. So I wouldn't say that, like, when you're planning a wedding, there are going to be, there are going to be things that don't sit right with somebody. There's always going to be that one person who will have a crazy idea that is not possible. But I think apart from that, today Corbett is coming up as a wonderful destination. The roads are becoming better. There are so many planners, so many people who've come there. Corbett has a very strong set of vendors available today. So I wouldn't say that there are any major challenges.
Okay, so what do you think 2025 and 2026 में Corbett lead करेगा mountain weddings को?
100%. Definitely. See, I think another best part is the heavy Saya dates that you have are at a time where Corbett is beautiful in terms of weather. It's not hot, it's not too cold. Like, when you go further up in the mountains, thand ho jati hai. After a certain point, you can't plan things outside. Corbett winter weddings are some of the most beautiful weddings in terms of weather. So 100% it's going to be one of the top leading destinations this year.
What about the artists? Any restriction? Artist या किसी परफॉर्मर पे कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन वहाँ पर कुछ ऐसा? सिर्फ साउंड की लिमिटेशन 10 बजे के आसपास की होती है मेरे ख्याल से.
Yes, and I otherwise also feel like most artists that we talk to like to perform in a hall where acoustics can be controlled.
Okay, ये इसमें एक चीज़ ऐड करूँगा. इसमें हम क्विकली समझना चाहेंगे कि आप मान लीजिए 2 दिन के फंक्शंस हो रहे हैं एंड 4 फंक्शंस हो रहे हैं, ठीक है. सो आप कैसे अपनी प्रॉपर्टी की किस किस जगह पर ये फंक्शंस हो सकते हैं? लाइक अगर मैं पूछूं हल्दी, ठीक है, तो हल्दी आपकी प्रॉपर्टी की किन किन जगहों पर हो सकती है? ठीक है. संगीत किस किस जगह पर हो सकता है? अगर हम ओपन में कर रहे हैं तो कितनी कैपेसिटी हो सकती है वहाँ पर? अगर हम इंडोर कर रहे हैं तो क्या कैपेसिटी हो सकती है ना? और आउटडोर हम वरमाला कर रहे हैं तो वो कौन कौन से आपकी प्रॉपर्टी के प्लेसेस होंगे? अगर हम क्विकली इस बारे में जानना चाहें.
आई थिंक मैंने हर फंक्शन हर लॉन में करा है. But some of the couple favorites, if I talk about it, we have this lawn called Ashok Vatika. And it is surrounded by Sita Ashok
Sita
trees.
ji wala.
Yes. And it blooms, starting from late February till about April. The whole, so it's like a oval lawn and charo taraf Sita Ashok ke ped hai, and it turns yellow and orange. And people love to do the haldi there. Generally, log kehte hain, people love haldi by the pool. But I think when people see that lawn, they're like, oh, this is perfect for haldi. So I think I've done some of the most, I think I've probably done maximum number of haldis there. Generally, because we have a restaurant which is overlooking the pool and then the forest behind it. So, when people are coming in, day one is generally mehendi. And people want to do mehendi partially indoors and partially outdoors because they realize that लोग ट्रैवल करके आए हैं, थके हुए हैं. So, you want to also give them that comfort of sitting indoors. And because our restaurant has all glass windows, big French windows. So, even if you're sitting indoors, you can see the whole ceremony happen. So, I think Mehendi ceremony by the poolside is again the most loved one. Sangeet, a lot of people do a part of the Sangeet inside, outdoors, and then for the DJ they go outside. See, because by the time you start your Sangeet, it turns late, and then you don't want to change venues in between. So most of the times, what we see people do is, and that's again a very smart idea, I think. What couples do is we do the ring exchange outside. And then we keep some form of live music outdoors because a lot of older people don't enjoy the DJ. It's too loud for them. Right. So while the youngsters are doing their own party indoors, and of course, there's no restriction in terms of who can join the party and who can't. We keep those two separate venues that, for people who want to sit outdoors, enjoy bonfire, some nice live music, sometimes ghazal, sometimes, old Hindi music or jazz, whatever, they do that. So, Sangeet, all lawns, I would say. It totally depends on how the couple, want the frame to look like. When it comes to weddings, I think at Ahana, weddings are very popular, again, in the poolside area, because it's a beautiful green forest backdrop. सामने से pool है, and a mandap between the pool and the forest look beautiful. So a lot of people plan it there. Also because sunset के time पे the whole place has a orange glow to it. So it becomes a beautiful venue for sunset weddings. And the other venue that people really like is Nandavan, which is where Nandavan, which is where we have all of these classes. So it's a big lawn. It can accommodate more than 1,000 people. It's almost about 60,000 square feet. It's a big lawn. We always end up using a small part of that lawn. And that lawn has clusters of jamun tree in different places. And I think now with that tree mandap, it's become very popular. Like we've done a lot of variations of that mandap. We've planned a lot of different kind of mandaps under trees. And that again is a venue that people really love.
Okay, nice. अभी बात करते करते मेरे दिमाग में ये आ रहा है कि कितने यूनिक आपने नाम रखे हुए हैं आयु। तो ये नाम किसने रखे हैं सारे जितने भी हैं प्रॉपर्टी के अंदर अलग अलग वेन्यूज के?
This was me and my siblings, all three of us. I think we thought that each lawn has a character. Like, Ashok Vatika because of the trees, Nandavan because it's like a vast garden with forest, Sinduri Bagh because of the Sindoor tree. So I think that's how the names come from, what that place is the best known for.
Okay, nice. And जब भी कोई क्लाइंट आपके पास आते हैं प्रॉपर्टी बुक करने के लिए, तो आप क्या चीज़ पहले देखते हो उस क्लाइंट में? कि मतलब ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या कि इन क्लाइंट के साथ हमें जाना है या नहीं जाना है? ऐसा भी कुछ आपके माइंड में रहता है प्रॉपर्टी किसी को देते हुए वेडिंग के लिए?
मतलब you always have to, there are a lot of times when we tell people that probably Cobbett is not the best destination for you. Because there are times when people want to plan things which are not possible in Cobbett. Like once I got a request from the whole family had come to see the venue, to see the resort. They loved it. They spent a night with us, but they wanted like a helicopter flower shower. They wanted to call a big Bollywood singer, and they were like, no, it has to be outdoors. So, when I told them, I said, look, you're planning a wonderful wedding. I just don't feel we're the right fit. And I think it's very important to say that because ultimately it's their day. It has to be, it's their vision has to come to life. Their vision might not align with me, and that's not their fault. So, so I think that's something that I always tell my team also, that, it's very important for the property and the family to be at sync. If we are constantly fighting about nahi ye nahi ho sakta, aap ye nahi kar sakte, then they are telling us nahi ye bhi hona hai. It's not pleasant. So I wouldn't say that that we look at guests and say nahi hame ye nahi karni. But agar kabhi hame lagta hai that there is a very big gap between what they are asking and what the place allows us to do, we tell them. I would not want to spoil anybody's big day and later say that nahi, we are sorry. And I think that is, that's very important to me as a property owner. And so if I tell you, I've at least had 4 or 5 such families जहाँ पे मैंने उनकी घर की एक से ज़्यादा शादी करी है.
Okay.
I had this couple once, and there were these parents along with their 2 children. It was their daughter's wedding, and they came to Ahana and they saw the place and they really liked it. And her younger brother tells her, या हमने कॉबेट में इतनी प्रॉपर्टीज देखी थी, तू ना कहीं और कर ले शादी, मुझे यहाँ करनी है. And she looks at him and she tells him, you don't even know when you'll get married. And I love the place. Why do you want to get married here? She decided to plan her wedding, and of course we did her wedding. 2 years later, this guy came back with his fiancée to show her the place, because he told her that, when I came here for my sister's wedding, I know my sister got married here, but I want to get married here.
Okay.
And, we did their wedding. And this is one of the many people where I have done, where both the siblings have gotten married at Ahana. So, I feel that the fact that people come again and again or so many weddings that I do are reference weddings. Like, people say we had come for their wedding and we loved it so much, we want to come and get married here. We want our children to get married here. So I think that that tells me that we are doing something right.
यस, एंड मेरे मन में एक थॉट आ रहा है कि आपको क्या लग रहा है, क्या चीज़ काम कर रही है आना कॉर्बेट के लिए? मुझे लग रहा है जो आप लोगों का पर्सनलाइजेशन है, इतना आप इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हो और एज ए फैमिली ट्रीट करते हो, वो कर रहा है या नेचर कर रही है?
I would say it's both the things together, and I think that's what gives me, as a property owner, an advantage over a lot of other properties, because we're involved as a family, and I personally head the wedding team. So, it gives us the creative liberty to plan a lot of things our way. We can make decisions very quickly. And, I understand that when you're planning a wedding, it can't be a fixed pattern. Each wedding is different. Each wedding requires a lot of customization. And, it's the smaller things that make a wedding beautiful. So we get to do that. Yes.
क्विकली जल्दी से हम एक टूर करेंगे और ये वेडिंग टूर होने वाला है. सपोज मैं क्लाइंट हूँ, मैं आना कॉर्बेट आता हूँ, मेरी वेडिंग है, हालांकि मेरी हो चुकी है 2023 में, बट मैं फिर से, थैंक यू सो मच. सो मैं आया, तो क्या प्रोसेस रहता है? पहले कैसे हम बात करेंगे, कैसे आप टूर करोगे, क्या चीज़ें रहने वाली हैं, कितने गेस्ट हम मैक्सिमम रख सकते हैं प्रॉपर्टी में, है ना, कितने फंक्शंस कर सकते हैं, अगर एक टूर छोटा सा हम करना चाहें और आप अगर...
So see, my first point of contact is my Delhi office. So I have somebody who heads the wedding, who's a senior manager.
Yes, you have wedding department, you just mentioned.
Yeah. So she's the first point of contact for all queries, because she's somebody who can, who's done so many weddings on ground that we like to have a very detailed first conversation with people in terms of understanding. And because most of our clients come from outside,
Right.
Delhi, Bombay,
Right, right.
other places. So nobody just walks into the resort. People always call first. So that's the first point of contact, where all information about the number of rooms we have, the kind of, the number of days one should ideally plan.
How many
the
rooms are
wedding
there?
for. So we have 70 rooms at the
70
moment.
rooms, okay.
We are adding a few more rooms
Okay.
in the resort, but we do weddings anywhere between 150 to 200 people. That I think is also the most ideal number for a destination
right,
wedding.
right.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's the first point of contact. People generally like to take an appointment before they come to the venue, and we try to give people slots because we do a very extensive tour. So when people come, a tour is done in terms of they get to see different rooms, they get to see all spaces and venues that they have. Then while we are sitting with them, we show them a few videos, because it becomes very difficult for people to just see a venue and imagine ये कैसा लगेगा, because when you coming to the resort, उस समय decoration नहीं है, उस समय कुछ भी नहीं है. So बहुत लोगों के लिए उसको visualize करना मुश्किल होता है. So we've created a lot of videos जो beginning से कैसे guest का welcome होता है, how are different functions done, बारात कैसे आती है, bridal entry कैसे होती है. We have a whole set of videos. So we like to sit in a room where we have a big screen. People get to see all of this. There are 2 people from my team who generally sit and they answer all the questions.
Okay.
And once the wedding is confirmed, we create a WhatsApp group. And the most important people from different departments are there. And we tell people, we tell them, आपको रात को 12 बजे भी कुछ याद आ रहा है, आपको सडनली याद आ रहा है, अरे एक और सेरेमनी होनी है, चूड़ा सेरेमनी होनी है, वो तो हमने बात ही नहीं करी. Just put that message in the group. So we have so each wedding is like a file, where, so of course while we're talking to guests at the back end, all of us, all people in the wedding team are meeting. We are talking about a wedding. We are talking about क्या हो गया है. We keep giving people reminders कि आपका ये 10 चीज़ें बची हैं. This is what has to be planned next. So I think it's we've created a whole process to plan it, and of course it makes it easy. Yeah.
बॉम्बे के लोग जब आते हैं शादी करने के लिए आहाना में, हालांकि इतना एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड की आदत नहीं होती है विंटर्स की, ऐसे भी चैलेंजेस आए हैं?
I think most people love the idea of bonfire. like we also have heaters, but I think bonfire on a winter night adds so much charm, right? So of course people from Bombay feel cold, so we try to plan their wedding during the day.
Okay.
You know, we always tell people, let's do like a sunset wedding. And also I think sunset weddings are very popular at Ahana.
Nowadays.
Also, I think, you know, most people go back to Instagram to see our wedding page. They see photos and they're like, अरे ये दिन की, you know, ये वाली photographs बहुत अच्छी आती हैं, the golden hour as we call it. So, you know, so of course we plan it that way. And apart from that, like, you know, they're all 5-star amenities. Rooms are centrally heated. Public areas are centrally heated. So it's not, I don't think ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि किसी को बहुत ठंड लगी है.
सस्टेनेबिलिटी को लेकर आपकी क्या आहाना कॉर्बेट क्या कर रहा है अभी? जैसे आपने स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा शेयर किया, मतलब अगर मैं प्रॉपर जानना चाहूँ सस्टेनेबिलिटी को लेकर
Sure. See, I would say sustainability is the guiding philosophy of Ahana. It's the heart, you know, from where all decision happen, right? So, and when we think about sustainability, there are a lot of points that we think of. You know, like I was telling you, we have a water, you know, we have a water recycling system. Similarly, we have a waste management system in-house. So, इतने सालों पे that we have operated, आज तक कोई भी कूड़ा आहाना के बाहर नहीं गया है.
आहाना के बाहर गया ही नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं गया है.
नहीं.
आपने वहीं पे रिसाइकल कर
दिया. We have our own, we have our own compost pits in house. वही खाद हम अपने organic gardens में भेजते हैं. All the plastic is collected and we have tie-ups with vendors who recycle different things. But आहाना से कूड़ा बाहर नहीं जाता है.
Okay.
Similarly, you know, there's a lot of use of I would say alternative sources of energy. Like, you know, we make use of solar energy, thermal energy, a lot of you know, when we think about sustainability, I think today the kind of technology we have makes it very easy. You know, for example, we have the swimming pool that we have at Ahana. Like you think about a swimming pool and you think ये गंदा होगा और ये सारा पानी बाहर निकाल के फेंकना पड़ेगा, right? But we have invested in a technology which is a UV based technology. We were in fact the first resort in India to use this technology at a commercial level.
Okay.
So what this does is the pool gets cleansed in a you know, through UV. It's a UV filter.
Okay.
And because of which you don't have
India
to put...
में किसी प्रॉपर्टी के पास नहीं है.
I think अब होएगा. Back then we had we got this technology from US.
Okay.
And yeah.
In which year?
Almost 10 years back.
10 years back.
Yes.
Wow.
So, you know, this UV filter ensures that you don't have to put chlorine in the water.
Wow.
Similarly, 2 years back, we launched 5 private pool villas at Ahana. So, these are 4-bedroom villas. They come with a beautiful pool. It's not a plunge pool, it's a big pool.
Wow.
You know, this pool also has its own jacuzzi and it's heated, multiple features. Now, technology is even more advanced. So, you know, we use backwater filtration, multiple so you know, there's a technology more sophisticated than even UV today, which ensures that your water usage is reduced by 90%. So, you know, there are a lot of because, you know, when we thought of sustainability, we did not want to put that responsibility on the guest. So, you know, whether it's a luxury traveler, whether it's a wedding, we don't tell the guest to do anything. It's a very strong and a very big team in the back end that is working to ensure that, you know, whether it's a family stay, whether it's a get together, whether it's a big grand wedding, our carbon footprints are minimal. You know, so, and when we think about sustainability, we think about you know, the local community. How are we engaging the community? Today, 98% of my team is local. They've all been trained in-house. You know, we when somebody joins Ahana, they go through an extensive training program. A lot of them have not even completed their school, let alone college. You know, my mother takes a lot of initiative in teaching them, right from doing English classes in the resort to hospitality training. We do all of that there. You know, we also, when we talk about sustainability, we also think about where the food is coming from, you know, where this food is growing. So, you know, it's not just, and I think for every year we have certain goals, right? We right now we're working on a climate action plan. So, you know, with every year, we think about more things that we want to add to this already existing set of things that we've created. And we always, like, in fact, we laugh about it at the end of the year when as a family we are sitting together and we are talking about it. We always say that profit at Ahana is never revenue minus cost. It's also about the environmental impact that we've made. It's also about how many people we've added from the local community. It's also about planet and people. So I think that's how we look at it. And to us it's not work. To us, it's something that we very strongly believe in and we value. And I think, for the kind of weddings that I've done, for the kind of guests that we host at Ahana, for the kind of name Ahana has created in the market today, people acknowledge that, you can get 5-star luxury with sustainability. And that was the motto from day one, right? My father wanted to create a model where he could show that sustainability and luxury can coexist. And that's what we worked very hard to achieve.
एंड आई गेस वो अचीव कर लिया आप लोगों ने, और ये काम दिख रहा है, बाहर दिख रहा है, लोगों को भी दिख रहा है. मैं बस ये समझना चाहता हूँ ये मोटिवेशन कहाँ से आ रहा है. जैसे कि आपने यूवी वाला फ़िल्टर यूज़ किया, या आप कहीं बाहर से मोटिवेशन ले रहे हो, या कहाँ से ले रहे हो, या खुद से ही आप रिसर्च कर रहे हो कि मुझे ऐसा ऐसा करना है अपनी
प्रॉपर्टी में? Will, there's a way.
Yes.
Like I remember the first time when we had not even started Ahana, we were in that initial pre-opening stage where dad said, beta, कूड़ा day one से बाहर नहीं जाएगा. And our team, for them it was like, how are we going to do this? It didn't sound possible, right? But I told dad, one, he had a lot of ideas for it, and all of us said, okay, let's brainstorm for the next 2 weeks and let's come up with solutions that we can. The garden team took that responsibility to start composting. Every manager said that I will segregate waste at a department level. And there were challenges, of course, but in a month, the process was up and running. And of course, that's where I keep going back to technology. I think with time, we found better ways to do what we are doing, because from when we started, we've grown, we've become bigger today. So of course there is more, we've almost almost over an acre of land we are just managing waste.
Wow. 1 acre.
Yes. Right from where segregation is happening to where storage is happening to where composting pits are. But again, like today we are using technology that ensures that composting is not taking the the traditional 6 months, but is happening in a more quicker manner, right? So I think it's a process. You learn from traveling. As a family, we love traveling, and I think when we go to other places, we learn from them. We see what they're doing better than us. And I think that's one thing I've learned from my father. When somebody asks him who he is, he says, I'm a student, I'm learning. And I think when you have that approach in life, it's one long journey of lessons of knowledge, and then it's about how you implement.
Nice. मतलब काफ़ी deep insight यहाँ पर मुझे मिल रहे हैं. मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि इतना ज़्यादा आना में इतनी सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं. मतलब ये तो क्लाइंट सुनकर सबसे पहले इम्प्रेस होने वाले, क्योंकि आजकल जो वेडिंग के लिए कपल जा रहे हैं वो सस्टेनेबिलिटी भी देख रहे हैं कि हम कितने.
And Shivam, if I tell you, I've had some of the most amazing experiences with,
yes, please go ahead.
With guests. Like there was this. So we also end up doing a lot of NRI weddings. A lot of people love to, and for them the attraction is forest. People are coming to, when you're getting people from outside to India, you also want to show them a lot more than just the wedding. But this one wedding, and this was one of the first few weddings that I was doing at Ahana. And when the couple came, they were based out of Chicago.
Okay.
Both of them lived there. And, when I told them about all the sustainability features that we have in the resort, they were so impressed. They moved their wedding by 3 days to get married on World Environment Day. They said, there's so much that you're doing. We want to be a part of this journey.
Wow.
And when they were in the mandap, we shut down all the lights for 10 minutes and everybody was holding a diya in their hand. Their wedding was by the pool and pool ke charo taraf diye lage
Do
hue
share
the.
video with us if you have.
I will try to see if I have that video. I'll definitely share it with you. You know, another thing that we make people do at Ahana. So every couple, once they are married, the first thing we make them do as a married couple is plant a tree.
Wow.
You get married and your first act as a couple is to plant a tree. You know, that's to say that you're giving back to the nature and you're also nurturing something. You know, it's a new beginning for your life as a couple, and you know, you're also giving birth to a tree that's going to grow and nurture with you. And it's so heartfelt because, you know, some of the initial couples who've gotten married at Ahana, they've come back with their children and they've clicked pictures in front of that tree. You know, and it's such a beautiful moment to me. You know, but I think people have like couples have really supported our initiative. Like so many couples have gone you know, paperless in their wedding. They've said no to any form of plastic, even in terms of decor. And you know, that's when our wedding planners, decorators play such an important role because, you know, while I feel there is a solution for everything, you know, and till the time you're giving people a good alternate, they are more than happy to do it. So, you know, together we've come up with so many, you know, such ideas for weddings. Like recently we did a wedding where the itinerary was in seed paper. So, you know, you go back home and you plant that in your pot and you get a beautiful, you know, plant out of it.
Okay.
Or I did a wedding recently and you know what they did for the entire 2 days, and this was about 165 people. So we have so you know, a lot of times when we are doing functions at Ahana, we have this potter who's, you know, who's been working with us for years, and his entire family creates mitti ke bartan.
Okay.
So for this particular client, all the functions, the crockery was biodegradable. So, you know, that order was given to him 6 months in advance.
Wow.
He, his wife, their children, extended family were all working on that order. But in that wedding, everything was biodegradable.
Wow, that's nice. मतलब लोग इतना आगे बढ़कर काम कर रहे हैं. मतलब एज ए होस्ट मुझे भी थोड़ा सा इंस्पायरिंग लग रहा है और थोड़ा सा मैं स्ट्रेंज भी फील कर रहा हूँ कि अभी तक कौन सी दुनिया में लोग जी रहे हैं. अभी एक ये वर्ड ये भी है सस्टेनेबिलिटी वाला. लोग कहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं. मतलब प्रॉपर्टी इतना आगे बढ़कर काम कर रही है. आयु, मतलब आप लोग इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, ये बात पता चलनी चाहिए लोगों को.
Thank you so much. But you know, that's what I feel. It's not like so many times people tell me weddings can't be green. And I'm like, what are you saying? I'm doing it for 10 years now. You know, it is. You know, there will be things that come, and I wouldn't say that every wedding I do is like 100% green. I'm also learning. I'm growing. There are new ideas that I'm getting. There are times when, you know, there are some things that people want. But I think overall, it's not difficult. Yes.
So what new things you are going to add in your property आना कॉर्बेट में अगले 2-3 सालों में? क्या नई चीजें ऐड करने वाले हो?
उसके लिए तो रुकना पड़ेगा. I can't let it out.
अच्छा, okay, surprise.
See, I think we are always planning before a season. We are thinking about what new, you know, because I told you, like, we want, you know, every wedding for us is an opportunity to do something new, and we love doing that. So yes, there's always something new and exciting happening there.
Okay, nice. जल्दी से एक रैपिड फायर करते हैं. आर यू रेडी?
रैपिड फायर, श्योर.
सो आई एम गोना आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस एंड आपको जो फील हो रहा है एक बार में आपको आंसर करना है, ज़्यादा टाइम ना लेते हुए.
डन.
ओके, आर यू रेडी? ठीक है. ड्रीम वेडिंग टाइप, द काइंड ऑफ वेडिंग दैट मेक्स योर प्रॉपर्टी शाइन द मोस्ट.
Sunset wedding by the pool.
Okay, nice. If walls could talk, what's the craziest or funniest incident that's ever happened on your property?
So many, you know, I think if walls could talk, there'll be a book written about all the funny episodes that have happened.
Okay, so would you like to share any incident or?
I think there are too many to share, you know.
One thing guests always underestimate about managing a wedding property.
I think guests come with a lot of unrealistic expectations, you know. People, yeah, I think it's that they feel कि अभी बोला और ये हो जाएगा.
Okay, what makes a wedding planner great to work with?
For somebody who's able to understand our philosophy and is willing to work as an extended part of the team.
A couple or planner red flag you spot instantly.
I mean, see, they're all green flags. Why would somebody be a red flag?
ओके, बिकॉज़ आना में आप आ गए हो वैसे ही ग्रीन हो जाओगे। वाइब ही ऐसी है
Yes,
वहाँ
I
की।
don't
हाँ।
think that's something I worry about.
ओके, कोई ड्रीम सेलिब्रिटी की वेडिंग अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपकी प्रॉपर्टी में हो तो वो कौन होगा?
I think somebody who loves nature,
Hmm.
you know, because honestly, to me, and maybe sounds very cliche to say, but to me, it doesn't matter if it's a celebrity or if it's just another couple.
Hmm.
You know, their wedding day is as important to me. So
Wow.
it will not change if I'm planning a wedding for a celebrity or for a couple. Like, it's their most important day, and that's what matters to me.
Nice thought.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, Ayu,
Thanks
for
a lot.
joining Wedding
Thank
Bazi
you,
with Shivam
Shivam.
Vasisht.
And I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
I think this is a wonderful initiative, and I really hope this is as successful as you want it to be.
Thank you so much. Means a
Thank
lot.
you.
Thank you, Ayu. See you.